Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to quickly share with us this amazing airdrop opportunity for us to get involved immediately. Okay, this airdrop is valued worth more than $500 and I want you to get involved immediately. Do not waste time. I decided to make this video so that we can start it on time. You see, this particular page I'm showing you see that the investors, you see the different companies that are going to invest, that are already invested in this project. Okay, the gamer boom investors, look at them. You see different investors here: Mass Network, BNB Chain, Binance Smart Chain. You see that these are big names in crypto. So I want you to get involved in this project. These are the different persons that are going to be that have invested already in this project, and I don't want you to miss it for anything. Okay, I'll be posting another job opportunity shortly, okay, like tomorrow, so I don't want you to miss anything. Okay, a lot of people missed out on some important airdrops the last let's say 1 year. A lot of beautiful airdrops came up, and some people could not get involved on time. So in this video, I'll be showing us different things about this project. I've been able to, on this screen, if you look closely, you see Solana Foundation invested, New Heights Ventures, Nvidia invested. Okay, so the project is a gamified Web3 project that is associated with tagging, AI tagging. Okay, so this project has these people that are involved in the funding, like they invested a lot in the project. About that is $9 million was invested in this project already. So I need you to get involved as fast as you can. The process or the steps to do it are they are not hard. They are very simple tests, simple steps to take to do it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you shortly. I'll be showing you the funding. That is it. This is the funding, and I also show you how much time that is required for you to get involved in this project, and it's less than 4 minutes for you to do that. And the link to join this project, I'll leave it either in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, the first comment is I'm going to pin the comment so that you find the link to join this airdrop project. Okay, so I'll guide you step by step on how you can register, how to carry out the steps, the tasks that are required for you to be qualified and for you to be eligible for the airdrop project. Okay, so I'm going to dive right into the website where you can do certain things for you to be eligible for the project, for the airdrop. Okay, so let's dive right in right away. So the profit expectation for this project is no less than $500. It's not less than $500. You see, Solana is involved. Nvidia, what's it called? BNB chain is involved in this project, and you need to take it as serious as you can. Okay, so let's dive right in. So once you copy the link in the comment section or the description of this video, the first thing you are going to do is to go to your Phantom wallet. If you don't have a Phantom wallet, go to Google Play Store or your App Store and download Phantom wallet, create your wallet, save your secret phrase, and you'll be able to do exactly what you want to do now. So if you have your Phantom wallet, the next thing you want to do now is to copy the link in the description, or you go to the description of this video and copy the link, the airdrop link. Okay, so that you don't make mistakes. Copy that exact link, then you go right into your Phantom Phantom wallet. Once you get into the Phantom wallet, I'll show you the next things to do. So I'm going to show you now inside my Phantom wallet. So let's dive right in now. Okay, so I'm going to minimize. So I'm going to go to my Phantom wallet. I want to go to my Phantom wallet real fast. Okay, let me open up. I don't want this video to be long, so I want to show you very fast how you can get involved in this project. Very, very fast. This video should not be more than 10 minutes, please. Okay, so let's do this. I've copied my link already, so I'll go to my Phantom. Once your Phantom wallet opens like this, the next thing you are going to do, look down at the base here, the base here, the last one by your right hand side. Click on it. Here at the top, look up, you see site, token, URL, click on that place and paste the link you copied from the description of this video or the comment section. Then the arrow downwards here, click on it. The site is loading already. Let's wait. It's not going to take time. Okay, so it's opening already. So once it opens, this is the interface that is going to show. You see, I already have 3,300 points here, total rewards. What and what did I do to get this 3,300 points? That's what I want to show you right away. So what you need to do now, let me drag my face here. What you need to do now is to look at the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner here. Top right corner, these 3 lines at the top here. Click on it. Okay, so once you open your own like this place that is showing my wallet will show connect wallet. So I'm going to sign out now. I'll sign out so that I will show you. Alright, so it's showing connect wallet. So I'll click on connect wallet. Okay, I'll select this Phantom, this first one, Phantom. I'll click on Phantom. Are you with me? Yeah, I'll click on confirm to grant access. Okay, yes, it's connected. So the next thing you are going to do, the video is already 7 minutes. The next thing you are going to do is to click on Quest. When you click on Quest, your own, all these points where you are seeing 2,900, 3,300, and this one is showing 400 GPT, your own will be showing 0. All of them will be showing 0. So these are the steps, the quest that you'll be doing. Say daily check-in to stop Solana fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That is food. FUD, food. So you click on this one, this first one, it will redirect you to you're already inside your Phantom, so it will just ask you to click on confirm, and you confirm. That is your sign in. And the next thing you are going to do is follow Ghost AI on X. Click on it. It will take you to Twitter, that is X, and you are going to follow. You come back here, you get this 100 points. You go to the next one, subscribe to this Telegram channel. Click on it. It will take you to Telegram, and you join the channel and you get that 100 points. Click on this one too, is Telegram. Click on the next one, that is Discord. You will join too. These ones, like and retweet, all of these ones are on Twitter. You also click on it, and that is all. That is all you need to do. That is simply all. So guys, at this point, I need you to hit a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to drop another 0 cost airdrop, another video again for you to get involved in, so that once they release, they will reward us and we are going to sell and make amazing money from this airdrop. So the next video, I'm going to drop it tomorrow. So get involved in this particular project immediately. The link, like I said, is in the description, or the first comment in this video. The first comment under the video, I pinned the comment there. Copy it and go to your Phantom wallet and get involved. So I'm going to see you in my next video, and I will be introducing another project, airdrop project to you, so that you make money. I don't want to recount the number of airdrops we have made, hundreds of dollars. Okay, so let's dive right into this project immediately. Hit a like on this video, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next opportunities, airdrop opportunities, and other amazing ways of making money online. See you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.